Have you ever wondered how ancient engineers built a machine so advanced that when scientists finally understood what it was, many thought it had to be impossible? Not impossible for today. Impossible for 2,000 years ago. In 1901, sponge divers exploring a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera discovered a collection of bronze statues, pottery, and treasure hidden beneath the sea. But among the artifacts was something strange, a corroded lump of bronze and wood. So damaged it barely looked man-made. At first, nobody realized what they had found. It sat in a museum for decades. Then, X-rays changed everything. Inside the rock-like fragments was an intricate network of interlocking bronze gears, more than 30 of them, cut with astonishing precision. Some were so small and finely crafted that historians could hardly believe they were made by hand. This object became known as the Antikythera Mechanism, and it may be the most shocking technological discovery in human history, because this wasn't just a tool, it was a computer. More specifically, the world's oldest known analog computer. By turning a hand crank, the mechanism could model the movements of celestial bodies across the sky. It tracked the cycles of the sun and moon, predicted eclipses years in advance, and even displayed the motions of the 5 planets known to the ancient Greeks. Think about what that means. More than a century before the birth of Christ, someone had built a machine capable of translating the mathematics of the cosmos into moving bronze gears. And the engineering behind it was extraordinary. The device used a complex system of gear ratios to simulate astronomical cycles with remarkable accuracy. One mechanism even modeled the moon's uneven motion across the sky, a phenomenon later explained centuries afterward through the laws of planetary motion. To achieve this, the designers created a sophisticated pin-and-slot system that subtly changed the speed of rotation as the gears moved. In modern terms, it functioned almost like a mechanical algorithm. Not electronic, not digital, mechanical, built entirely by hand. The back of the device contained spiral dials used to predict eclipses and track long-term astronomical cycles derived from Babylonian observations. This wasn't superstition or mythology. It was precision engineering grounded in mathematics, observation, and craftsmanship far ahead of its time. What makes the Antikythera mechanism so haunting isn't just its complexity. It's the fact that nothing else like it survived. After the collapse of the Hellenistic world, technology of this sophistication appears to vanish from the historical record for many centuries. Comparable clockwork systems would not emerge again until the great astronomical clocks of medieval Europe. In other words, ancient humanity may have reached a level of mechanical engineering far beyond what we once believed possible, and then lost it. That changes the way we see history. We often imagine technological progress as a straight line, primitive beginnings leading steadily toward modern civilization. But the Antikythera mechanism tells a different story. Knowledge can disappear. Civilizations can collapse. Entire technological traditions can vanish beneath the waves of history. And if one machine this advanced survived by accident at the bottom of the sea, what else have we never found? What other discoveries were lost before they could change the world? The Antikythera mechanism is more than an ancient artifact. It's proof that the ancient world was capable of brilliance we are only beginning to understand. And it reminds us that history still has secrets waiting in the dark. If you enjoyed this exploration into ancient technology and forgotten engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next deep dive into the world's greatest mechanical marvels. Thanks for watching.